Yo, your boy's hyped. Why? I booked my SneakerCon booth. It's lit. But yeah, I booked my SneakerCon booth for August 4 and August 5. I thought about it and I most likely am gonna shoot a video of every item that I'm gonna be selling there. Just so people have an idea of what's gonna be at my booth. The concept of the booth is gonna be basically what I do, which is cut hair and buy, sell, and trade vintage and streetwear. So basically, I'm gonna have my chair right here on this side, and then I'm gonna have my rack of clothes on this side. So it's gonna be fun. 2 days, August 4 and 5. Pull up. I think it starts at 11 a.m. to something, probably like 7 or something. But yeah, that's about it. Let's go through. Good way to start off a Monday. I'm not sure if this is a bootleg, but regardless, I'm picking it up. See right there, it says Guess inside, and look at the back. Yo, Guess Inc. Expedition. This is fire right here. That's a clean embroidery. Scooping. Vintage Polo Ralph Lauren socks. Yo, this Yao Ming tee is kind of fire. Asking for $2. Not too vintage, but still a cool shirt. Found some vintage striped tees. This one is fire. It's a vintage gotcha, made in USA. Look at the logo. That colorway is crazy. And then right here is a vintage Quicksilver one. I might scoop this one, I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up. And then this Newport Beach tee. They're charging for this. They're asking for $6. I have to pass on this one. Probably gonna scoop these two. We got this vintage Budweiser sign jacket. It's like St. Patrick's Day. Pretty fire. Found this vintage 1991 Harley Davidson tee. This one's pretty fire. This is a way of life. And then in the back, it's got an eagle. Northeast Rally, Lincoln, New Hampshire. Scooping. Just found this vintage Julio Iglesias tee. 1991 World Tour. See right there. Starry Nights World Tour. And then I found this vintage polo. Copping this too. Colorway is fire. It says Polo Sport. Hold up, let that clear out. Polo Sport right there. Nothing else. Only asking for $4 on this piece, so I'm gonna pick this one up. Found this vintage Crewneck right here. Recipe for love. Care, like, God, respect, friend. Just found this Champion t-shirt right here. All over print. Got the logo right there. Asking for $8. For sure gonna pick this one up. Found these Gucci kicks right here. I actually might pick these up. They're my size 11. Probably throw some crazy laces on them. They're in pretty good condition. They just need laces. My scoop. Slide. Found in the children's section. Oh, with the slides. Vintage Chicago Bulls Crewneck. Nutmeg. $2. 4. Just found this basic black Acne Studios tee. For sure gonna pick this up. Just found this vintage Louis Miguel tour shirt. See right there, LM. And then I found this vintage Los Angeles Kings. Vintage women's Levi's denim jacket. The wash is fire. They're asking for 10, size medium. Got this Stussy hat right here. Ooh. Okay, San Francisco 49ers. Is this for kids or men? This is fire. Let me see. Okay. Supreme. Vintage Ocean Pacific tee. Scoop. Just found this John Elliott hoodie. Super high quality, you could tell. See right there. John Elliott. I'm not sure what the size is. Is there a tag on the inside? No. Probably gonna pick this up though. They're asking for $5. Yep. North Face hat. Alright, before I head out today, I just want to show you guys everything I picked up so far. Vintage Los Angeles Kings Crewneck. Vintage Chicago Bulls. Fire screen print with that bull right there. And then this John Elliott hoodie. Very expensive hoodie. Vintage tee, I forgot who this was. Julio someone, I forgot. basic. That's just a basic vintage tee. I'm gonna do a screen print on that. The vintage gotcha tee. The Los Angeles Little Tokyo bowling tee, champion tee, the vintage Guess bomber jacket, and then the polo one underneath with the purple polo sport inside. Vintage tee right here, Stop It, vintage Quicksilver tee, and then the Acne Studios. And then found these right here, the Gucci kicks. I just gotta buy some laces for them. Let's go thrift. Morning, y'all. I think it's funny how you guys always ask me in the comments, bro, are you tired? Are you sleepy? Yes, I am tired and sleepy every day because I thrift every morning, super early. I go to school and then I cut hair after school and I go to the gym. So yes, I am tired. But I try to stay as energized as possible, but I give you guys the raw me. I don't try to fluff anything. Like, I'm not gonna be hype if I'm not hype. I'm not gonna be down if I'm not down. I'm just basically gonna show you guys how I feel with how I feel. If that makes sense. It's still early, but we just got here to the thrift. Once again, if you are pulling up to SneakerCon in Anaheim, the Anaheim Convention Center, August 4th and 5th, I'm going to be there. I'm gonna have a booth. I'm going to be cutting hair and selling clothing and shoes, like extra fire pieces. I've already got a couple appointments booked for Sunday. I'm shooting to only cut like 4 a day, just so I have time to do my thing like while I'm there. So if you are interested, hit me up, follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. DM me and then we'll schedule an appointment at SneakerCon. Let's go thrift. Peace! Just found this vintage California Bugs Bunny, Warner Brothers, 1993. Fire. Picking it up. Cardinal Jordan 7. Dang, I found this vintage Raiders starter jacket, but look, stitching is coming off right there like super bad, and then the buttons are little silver. Obviously you could repaint those, but that stitching is bad. The patches just look really good. Overall condition's not too bad. We'll see. They're asking for 30. But I just don't like that the patch, like the stitching's coming off. Some vintage Guess jeans right here. They're my size, I would have scooped. They're size 30. Cool little vintage Nike zip up right here. It's a little too faded. Pass. Another vintage Levi's Sherpa. It's a little stained. Might need like just a wash, but it should be straight. Only gonna pick this one up. And I always gotta go right here because there's no lighting. I gotta get by the window, but it makes me look extra red. That fresh cut though. Yeah boy, just got to the thrift store. I'm going to Vegas tomorrow with the homies, me and 2 of my other homies. Spontaneous trip, just one night in Vegas, Saturday. Yeah, it's for my homie's birthday. Just us 3. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, maybe I'll pick up some things that I can wear in Vegas or use in Vegas. So, fire swimming trunks? I'm tired. Let's go through it. Got a vintage Stussy hoodie right here. Oh, it's got a really bad stain right there, so I'm gonna leave it. And then this vintage Nike, $8, a windbreaker with a hoodie. Such a fire piece. Vintage Bullwinkle tee, huge graphic. See right there, let that clear up, 1990. Pick up. Yo, what's good? It's a little windy right now. Here's looking a little crazy, but it's all good. Just got here to the mall. I'm meeting up with the homie who's buying off a jacket from me, the John Elliott hoodie that I picked up. He's meeting here at the mall. What's good, boy? What up, man? Hey. How you doing? Yeah, it was good, guys. Another day at the thrift. I'm here like
8 minutes early, 7 minutes actually. But I just want to let y'all know that my booth is booked for SneakerCon. I'm hoping to get a booth in the front. I talked to some of the guys and they said that it's actually first come first serve, so I just gotta get there super early and then I can pick the spot that I want. I already have 1 cut booked for Saturday and I have 3 cuts booked for Sunday at SneakerCon. So if you're trying to get a haircut by me and you're going to SneakerCon, please hit me up. Just DM me on Instagram and we can get that locked in for you. The haircuts are not free. I'm doing haircuts for $25 at SneakerCon, which is not too bad, so hit your boy up. And you'll also be able to shop my fire rack that I'm gonna have there for both days. But yeah, sorry I haven't been uploading on YouTube. I've been super busy just with like trying to like acquire all these items just to make sure I have enough for SneakerCon for 2 days. But yeah, that's why I've been so busy and I haven't posted a video for I think over 2 weeks now. But yeah, I'm about to hop in the thrift again, and then this is probably going to be the last thrift session before I upload this video. So for this video, this is going to be the last thrifting part. But yeah, I'm tired. Your boy just got back from Vegas. It was lit. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known. So follow your boy so you know what I'm up to. But yeah, let's go thrift. Peace.
We got the starter pro line. I think this is the Minnesota Vikings. I actually don't know, but wish it was a Laker jacket. Dead stock vintage polo too. Pretty cool with their tags on. 13. Okay, the Coogee boat shoes. Dang, they got this vintage Nike windbreaker. But look at the zipper. Broken. It's got the big check in the back too. Sorry. Right there. Gotta pass on it. They're asking for 13 with the broken zipper. Nope. Just want to show you all the rest of the items that I did pick up. The Bullwinkle tee, vintage Stussy with the back print, big crown, vintage Webster Hall New York City tee, very fire. California Bugs tee, 1993. I forgot what this guy's name is. Starts with the S, but liquid blue tee, and the vintage Raiders starter jacket, very fire. And then the vintage Sherpa Levi's, another one. So let's go. Yo, what's good? All right guys, so that's gonna wrap up this trip to the thrift. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember SneakerCon in Anaheim, the Anaheim Convention Center, August 4 and 5. I will be cutting hair and I will be selling fire. So make sure to pull up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Glad to be back. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but you already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up to the coziest long hair gang on YouTube. Amen to fashion. Who is texting me? What is good? SneakerCon.